I hope everyone's enjoying their Christmas and holiday season and you're finding some value in the Best in Kamloops review videos. We're going to try a special contest during Christmas. We are looking for the best baked good or treat for the holiday season. How the contest will work. You'll have a chance to submit your recipe. I will figure out the top 6 recipes that I like. I will make them and make a video on the YouTube page, and then I'll ultimately taste test them at the end and figure out which one I think tastes best. If you'd like to enter the contest or you know someone who might be interested, there will be a link in the description below if you're watching on YouTube. If you're watching on Instagram, there will be a link in the bio. The only thing you need to enter the contest is to be subscribed to our YouTube channel, Best in Kamloops. In the Google survey, you'll be asked for your email address, your first name and your last initial, a story about your recipe and why you think it's the best Christmas or holiday treat, and as well, you need to submit your recipe so I can be able to replicate it and make it on the YouTube channel so we can share with the fans. I think it might be kind of a cool contest. We can share different recipes with the fans on Best in Kamloops, give you some ideas of things to make over the holiday season. And it's going to be fun for me to get in the kitchen, get my hands dirty, and ultimately taste test some of these awesome treats. So hopefully you guys are excited. If you know someone who would be interested in the contest, please send this video, either share it or send them a link. That'd be fantastic. Hope you guys enjoy your holiday Christmas season, and all the best in the new year.